Well, India registers the highest single-day death toll of 2003 with 10,974 new COVID-19 cases being reported in the last 24 hours. The total number of positive cases in the country now stands at 3,54,065, including the 1,55,227 active cases and 1,86,935 people who have been discharged. And the death toll has risen to 11,903 as per the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare data. Well, during the last 24 hours, as of Tuesday, 10,215 COVID-19 patients were cured, taking the total tally to about 1,86,935 people who have been cured. The recovery rate rises to 52.47%, which is indicative of the fact that more than half of the positive cases have recovered from the disease. India, on the other hand, has stepped up the testing capacity significantly for COVID-19 to 3 lakh samples per day with a network of 907 laboratories, 659 in the government sector and the rest of them private labs spread across the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to interact with chief ministers from 17 other states. Today, Modi will be reviewing the situation in each of the states and will be discussing the future course of action. Earlier, he had met the other chief ministers and he had discussed with respect to what needs to be done in the coming days. Well, as per sources, 4 Indian soldiers are said to be in critical condition after the violent face-off with Chinese troops on Monday evening. As of Tuesday, 20 Indian soldiers and 43 soldiers of the Chinese side were killed in the fierce standoff in 45 years, is what the sources have said. On the other hand, United States says it's closely monitoring the situation between India and China. US has extended support to peaceful resolution of the current situation, and Trump as well. The last time he spoke to Modi, he had spoken about the India-China face-off. Meanwhile, as of Tuesday, Karnataka has reported 317 cases, taking the total tally to 7,530. Karnataka has 2,976 active cases. Total COVID deaths have increased to 94, with 7 new deaths being reported, of which 4 deaths have been reported in Bengaluru. Karnataka also reported 322 discharges in a single day. Total number of discharges stands at 4,456 in the state. Yadgir reported 50 discharges. Kalaburgi reported 15 and Udupi reported 81 discharges, while Belagavi reported 22 discharges. Raichur reported 46 discharges. Bengaluru on Tuesday reported 47 new coronavirus cases and 4 deaths in the last 24 hours. Total number of cases in the city has climbed to 772. Death toll in Bengaluru has climbed to 38. And 30-year-old woman suspected to have contracted COVID-19 in Vikas Sauda. Woman was working in Food and Civil Supplies Department. 5 rooms have been sealed in first floor of Vikas Sauda and contact tracing is currently underway.